This place looks familiar. All right. New video. At the lake again. Gonna catch some more carp. Last week, that session was the best. So we're coming back again at the same place. So let's hope we catch a lot of carp. And yeah, stay tuned. For bait, we're using again worm and corn. Let's belly up and throw the rods in. Let's see what happens. Fish on. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Good. Nice stuff. Look at the carp. I didn't see that. Look at that. Another carp. We got 2 carp so far. Nice. Nice. Oh. Fish on. Let's go. Oh, big boy. Let's go. Fish on. Yeah, that boys. Look at that. Oh, keep on fighting, mate. You're coming with me. Yo, nice carp. Another fish on. Let's go. As soon as I took that one out, the rod, I got another one. Let's go. Fish parade. Look at this. This is going off. This is too good. Oh. Oh, Godfather took out a fish. This is sick. Oh. What's that? Yo, keep it coming. Oh my god. My godfather, he took out one at the same time. This is going off. Woo. Alright, so these are the two that I caught. I don't know which one's first, which one's second, but I'll show you guys. Alright, nice. Look at that. This is what we came for. Very good. That's one. And this is the other one. Already 2 carp for me. I'm on the roll. My godfather, he caught 2, and my other grandfather, he caught 1. All up 5 carp. Look at that. We're on the roll. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's it. Let's go, Nunco! Let's go! My godfather's on again. Let's go. Look at that. 2, 4, 6. 6 carp. The best. Look at that. Too good. A, se otkače?
Zastanav, ja. Zastanav, se vrate nazad i...
Unhooked. Oh well. Sometimes you hook on, sometimes you hook off. So far 6. Let's go. Look at that rod go, look at that rod go, look! Woo! These carp are fighting like idiots. Oh, they're too strong, man. Something's telling me this is gonna be good, this trip. Dad! My other rod. I mean your rod, not mine. Woohoo! Me and Dad are on, let's go. Oh, did I lose this fish? Or do I still have him? Is that weed or fish? I reckon the fish would have left. Oh, the fish is with it. Oh, the fish is with it. Thought it unhooked for a second. Also got him close. Oh yeah! Look at that! Look at him go! Yoo! Woohoo! Too good. Look at that! Big boy! Carp number 8. 7, I mean. Carp number 7, carp number 8. Good job, Dad. Look at him go. Yeah! One that my dad caught. Very nice. Very nice. And here's the other one. And here's the other one. Look at that. Too good. Too good. Let's go see how many carp. Let's see how many carp. How many carp? Look at this. Look at this. Look. 2, 4, 6, 8. Already 8. Ah, that's good stuff. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Beautiful trip. Good. Fish on again. Thanks to my dad, hooked him up, reeling it in. Oh yeah, that's a guy. It's a good trip. Fish on, baby. Oh, big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Wow. Big boy. Oh yeah, keep on fighting. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, big one. Alright, so I can't keep up with count on how much carp we have. We have probably around, I don't know, probably 12 or 15 carp. But this trip is going so good. I'm telling you right now. Whew, so much carp. We're actually going to give it a nice look on how much carp we have. And there's some in the esky already cleaned up. But we'll see how much there is now to clean. Nice, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and there's probably like 3, 4 inside the esky, so around 12, 13 carp. So far so good. Let's keep on doing it. Let's go. Let the fish keep on coming. This is a good trip. You guys are gonna love this video. And I thank you all for watching my videos and liking them. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, we got a fish on. Let's go. Fish on. Like I said, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe for videos like this that I'm making for you, because this is amazing. I didn't manage to record on the other carp though.
I want to see it. Come over there.
Huh?
Come this way.
Under or over?
Over.
Oh, you're a fighter. Under or over this one?
Under.
Under?
Yeah, under. Yep.
There he is. Come here, big boy. Nice. Look at the size of these carp. Too good. Too good. That's why I make these videos for you, so you guys can watch and enjoy. and there will be plenty more. Just make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Let's keep on catching these fish. Another fish. Fish on. Fish on. Let's go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Let's go. Look at this. Fish on. This is too good. That bell fell here somewhere. Who knows where? Oh yeah. This is why they call me the master of carps. Catch a lot of carp. And this rod here that I'm using, I've been using it since I was 7 years old. Now I'm 23. 15 years. 16 years I've been using this rod. And that's a machine right there. I even caught it with weed. Look at that. Grass as well. Nice. Good fish. Let's go. Fish on again. These fish are keep on coming. They don't want to stop. They don't want to stop. This fish is amazing. They haven't stopped biting. They just keep on coming. Let's go. This is something different. This is something different. No. It's alright. No, alright. It's alright. И така ми се запнува другите. Тревишта има. Ето. Слави, со се треба иди. Ја не ги откачувам рибите. They're saying, why did it get stuck? This and that. I told him on the other fishing rods, it was doing the same thing. I'm used to catching this fish. This is my stuff, mate. I'm master for carp. Carp fishing, I'm the master, mate. These guys want carp? Come to me. I'm an expert for this stuff. Oh, yeah. Number one. Good shit. Let's go. Woo! Woohoo! This is my dad's rod. Doing good, but his rods are doing good as well. They're just like my one. Yeah. Look at that, fish on. Pull him out. Come out. And on the dinner plate. You want to catch fish? You call Fish Ski Adventures and we catch fish. Look at this one go, look at this one go. Oh, look at him go. Woo! Whoa! Oh! Shh. Oh, this one's caught. I got 2 rods, both of mine are caught. Just took out the carp from my dad. I've got that one. Trega, tá aí uma riba. That's got a fish. Pull him out, Dad. Pull out the fish, mate. Pull the fish out. Nothing. Unhooked. There's a fish, bro. Huh? No fish? Why? Why disappointment? Gone, huh? Oh, the ugly stick is working good. Should have left that one to fight that rod. Ow! Look at that. Another big boy. Let's go. Fish Ski Adventures catches all the fish. Oh, oh, oh! All rods are freaking in contact. All of them. Ah! Ah! Too good. Carp paradise. There's a big eagle in the sky circling around. Look at that. Look at that. Big boy. Ah. Let's go. All right. Good stuff. You. Paradise again on my rod. Can't get a rest from these carp. No rest. Just continue on. Fishy, fishy, like my fire. Oh. Ah. Bloop. That's fish. Big boy. This cost me a nice workout from gym. Instead of going gym, you go carp fishing. Nice. Relax. One, two, three, four. So much fish. I'm gonna take him now. Let's go see what's happening here. Godfather the butcher. Can't keep up. Too good. Got these two. Got a nice big boy. Big boys. Good stuff. Here you go. Carp paradise. Oh yeah, fish on, let's go. This one's coming out with speed, mate. Arno rekao me dve eskiz. Why did we get one? Yeah? That's good stuff. Oh, Dad. Go see the rod. Is it under or over? Over? Over. Yeah, mate. Fish on. Yeah. Why you always gotta get me catching fish, man? Keep up. Good stuff. Another rod. I haven't taken a break. I have not taken a break. Well, none of us have taken a break. Godfather's cleaning. Dad's throwing the rods. I'm taking them out. This is a miracle. Ah, salt catcher. Oh. Oh yeah. I think my dad's over this. Too much. Too much fish. Ah. Oh. Ah, yeah. Fight it. Too much fish. Oh. Fish after fish after fish. Too many. Hey. Look at that. Bell, one. Fish, oils. I have to go again on the fish, on the rod. Yeah. Again. Oh. Oh. Fish after fish. You know what? This is too much fish. Fish paradise. another big boy right down here. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. I am very sorry to everyone that's gonna be watching this video. I have to stop because the battery on my GoPro is low. So this will be the end of this video, but I'll make sure I take a photo at the end of how many fish, and I'll tell you in total how many we caught. So far you can see how much is need to be cleaned. I'll show you the esky now. Here's the big boy that we caught. Rods are going off. I need to go. Let's catch this fish and then we'll go to the esky. Oh, yeah. Let's go. For the last video, for the last part of this video, let's catch this fish and we'll end it here. I'll show you the esky of fish and the ones that you saw that that needs to be cleaned, and that will be the end of it. At the end of the day, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and make sure notifications are on. I'll be catching a lot. I'll be making more videos. I mean, not catching a lot, I'll be making a lot more videos like these ones. Let's go, fish on. Like I said, sorry, the camera's gonna die, so we'll finish it here, and I'll post a photo and I'll also tell you at the end how many carp we caught. There we go. That's a nice beautiful carp. You guys saw the carp down there. I'll take you to the other one where the esky is. Let me just leave this here so my dad can unhook him. There we go. Let's go in the esky. That'll be too good. That's inside the esky. Too much fish. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but there we go. Too much fish in there. And the fish that's here to clean. And yeah, hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the notifications on. There'll be more videos like this. And until next time, peace.